Alright, we have Mercedes ECU with fuel pump issue. ME976 6-cylinder. I think it's from CLK, but probably used for another cars as well. ECU has been opened. And here we have chips. This ECU is mounted on the engine. It's like in the middle of the engine. Some plastic holders have a lot of vibration. Problem I found is on this driver TLE 6244 made by Infineon, and pins from vibration it just not soldered anymore. It's like cracked. This chip and this chip they are same, and this pin it's clock because these drivers both connected together and we have serial bus. So here you see cracks number 2 from the right side. It's gone completely. So this is it. As well, when I checked under the microscope, I think we need to solder these two resistors. Sorry, two resistors. Because we cracked as well. And probably the best way is to solder everything, but this is time consuming. Okay, I think it's done for today. It's no point to show how to resolder it.